Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.